AWOW mini computers are compact and powerful devices that offer a convenient computing experience. There are many products available to choose AWOW mini computers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best AWOW mini computers from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. AWOW AK34 Mini PC Intel J3455. The AWOW Mini PC is designed for those who need speed and efficiency. Powered by the Intel Celeron J3455 quad-core processor, it ensures smooth multitasking, allowing you to run multiple applications without lag. With dual Ethernet ports, you can enjoy high-speed internet and connect to different networks, making it ideal for home or office use. The expandable storage offers the flexibility to save all your favorite videos, music, and photos. Plus, the dual HDMI outputs allow you to connect two 4K displays, enhancing your productivity and entertainment experience simultaneously. Number 2. Mini PC Intel Core i9-11900H. The AWOW Mini PC offers impressive performance with its Intel Core i9-11900H processor, making it suitable for gaming, video editing, and more. You can enjoy seamless multitasking thanks to its 16GB DDR4 memory, which can be expanded up to 64GB. With 512GB SSD storage, you have ample space for your files and can upgrade to 2TB if needed. Additionally, this mini PC supports dual 2.5GB and Wi-Fi 6, ensuring fast and reliable internet connectivity, perfect for setting up a home server or enhancing your work-from-home experience. Number 3. AWOW Mini PC Windows 10 Pro. The AWOW Mini PC Windows 10 Pro is a powerful and versatile mini desktop computer equipped with an Intel Celeron N3350 processor, up to 2.4 GHz, and 6GB DDR4 RAM. With Windows 10 Pro pre-installed and support for Ubuntu and Linux, it can run various applications smoothly. The mini PC also features 64GB eMMC storage and support for up to 1TB SATA slot, 4K at 30Hz using HDMI, BT 4.2, and 2.4G per 5.0G Wi-Fi, and perfect heat dissipation with a special material fan cooling system. Number 4. AWOW AL34 Mini PC 8GB DDR4 256GB SSD. The AWOW Mini PC is designed for versatility and performance. With its Intel J40-105 CPU, you can enjoy faster processing speeds for tasks like entertainment, light gaming, and office work. The flexible storage options allow you to expand your 256GB SSD to meet your storage needs, accommodating everything from documents to photos. Its dual display capability supports 4K at 60Hz, making multitasking easier and more efficient. Plus, with multiple USB ports and Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily connect all your devices, ensuring a seamless user experience. Number 5. AWOW Mini PC Intel N5095. The AWOW Mini Desktop is a compact yet powerful PC designed for versatility. Featuring the Intel N5095 processor and Intel UHD graphics, it provides excellent performance for tasks like office work or light gaming. With 16GB of DDR4 RAM and a 512GB SSD, you can easily expand storage for your files or applications, making it ideal for long-term use. The dual network ports and Wi-Fi connectivity allow you to set up a home theater or a NAS system, giving you the flexibility to manage your media and files efficiently. The multiple display interfaces also support 4K video, enhancing your viewing experience.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.